Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope all is well with you. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. And today, with all my dear students, I am about to discuss a very interesting GD. The topic is degree versus skill. Which is more important? What do you think? Here my all students, they will express their opinion. You know guys, that at present time all the students, they are confused like skill and degree, which is more important. When you go for interview, you require degree and skill both. Okay, then one by one I ask the same questions, which is more important. First of all, I'll ask the question with Ravindra. Okay, Ravindra, just tell me which is more important. Yeah, Ravindra.
So, hi viewers, my name is Ravinder Singh Rathod and I'm one of the students of this institute. After so long we are making a video, so I'm so excited to be in the video. And as the sir asked me a question, which is more important? So I think skill matters a lot. You know, when we have skill, so we can easily earn money, earn livelihood. I still remember a few days ago, one of my relatives he brought a job for me. So he said that where you have to speak in English, you know, English matters there, because if you have to get that job, then you must be good at English. So I would consider English as a skill in today's world, because they were not asking for the degree. They were asking for those who could speak in English. So I think skills matters a lot. And as an example, there was a person, everyone knows the name of that person. He was Dhirubhai Ambani. So he did not have a degree, he was not graduate. He was, I think he studied till the 8th class, but later he just built so much business. And now look at his sons, Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. So they are just doing great things in today's world. They are known as the millionaire. So I think skill matters a lot in today's world. And I still remember the sir sharing one story. Few days ago he was sharing a story of a person, MBA chai wala. So actually he had a degree, but there was no use of his degree. Now he has become famous because of his tea. He has a skill of, because of his tea, he has a skill of selling a tea. He has a skill of selling tea, and just he is sharing with people that skill matters a lot in today's world rather than a degree. So I would say that a person must have a skill.
Excellent. I completely agree with your statement, Ravindra. And many of great personality, they are college dropper. Okay, there are a lot of person like Amir Khan and Virat Kohli, college dropper, and Bill Gates also. But they are very skillful person. Okay, so next question, I just ask the same question, which is more important. You, Virendra.
So hello friends, my name is Virendra Singh Shekhawat and I am here from last 1 year. So about this point, my opinion is I am in the favor of skill. Why I don't agree with this point that degree is not important. So in my perception, the both are important, because if we have degree, then we are eligible for many examination and we can apply in the many organization as a employee, and they will also offer us for any job. So the both are important, but if we don't have any skill, then they won't be give us any job like an employee. So we must have a degree and also a skills. And in my perception, we should learn skills for what we are applying for the job. Like if we take an individual job, we should learn the skills like the job. So these are my points, and I repeat that I am in the favor of skills, not a degree. So these are my views.
Pass the mic to Abhay. Yes, Abhay, what is your opinion? Which is more important?
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Singh. I'm from the belong small town. It's called Kishangarh. So sir told my friend Ravinder and my friend Virendra also told about that skill and degree. So I totally agree with them. But I just favor the degree because of I wanted to join government job, and most of the person they wanted to go government job, and lots of the jobs they require the degrees, and like 12 pass degrees, and you have a bachelor degree, engineer degree, and whatever. So I just favor the degree. But if I am just looking in the India, especially in India, so most of person they are just purchase the degree, but they can't purchase the skill. And I gave the example, like my neighbor friend, he also purchased a degree in a 1.5 lakh. It's like a D Pharma medical degree. So it's not a like a good, but most of the cases and the Indian mentality is that we can get the degree easily by the money, but they can't afford skills. So I prefer the degree, sir, because most of the cases the middle class family, they were boys and whatever, so they wanted to join government job, so that's why, sir, they must have the degree, sir. So that's, but I totally agree with the Ravinder and my friend Virender. They also told about the skills, what is the importance of skills. Ravinder also told about the example of Dhirubhai Ambani, Virat Kohli, and whatever. So they have a patience, they have a skills, so now they are the very successful person. So I totally agree with them, but I just prefer the degree, sir, more compared to skills, sir.
Okay, yeah, pass to my Monica. Yeah, Monica, what is your opinion?
Hello guys. My name is Monica, and firstly I would like to say degree is an authentic certificate that the person make confident and highlight the eyes of the employees. And degree makes a person more confident, humble, wiser and polite. And we are just talking about skills, then it's more important in our job. So we can complete our company's tasks, and in talking about our life, then it's help to thought everyday's life tasks.
Which is more important?
Actually, both are important. Yeah, both are important.
Very good. Yeah, finally, Harshita, what is your opinion?
Good morning everyone. I hope that you all are happy. Myself Harshita, and I am totally favor in a skill. Today I am speak in going to in a topic skill. As you all know that Mr. Abhay told that degree is a gain from money and fame. Skill is not gain from money and fame. It's a own talent, and skill is a own talent. The great people from the history were all skilled people, but they don't had the certification of their knowledge and skills. A skill is a unique quality. People are attracts from you if you have a unique skill. And I have a quote on skill: if you have a degree but you don't have skill, then you will be hired in the morning but you fired in the evening. And degree is not matter in life, skill is a matter in life. Degree is just a scene of pieces of a paper, but skill is a talent, and skill is an abstract term which cannot be evaluated in the bits of paper. So guys, in a conclusion, skill, it's a depend on person's priority which is first for you. Thank you guys.
degrees is a pieces of papers, but skill is very important. Finally, I would like to say that we should increase our skills, and skills are very very important. And degree can be achieved by in university course and any degree course, you know. So okay guys, and thanks a lot for watching this video, and please like, share this video and subscribe my channel, and next video is coming soon. Thanks a lot. Keep smiling.